More breaking updates now coming in. A case of a brutal murder that has been reported from Maharashtra's Jalgaon area, where 4 minor siblings were found brutally murdered, and this happened in Jalgaon's Raver Taluk in North Maharashtra. According to the police, the children, 2 boys and 2 girls aged between 5 and 14 years, were hacked to death with an axe in Raver's Borkheda village. In this case, the police have so far arrested 3 people and the probe is underway. Let me go across to our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh, who's joining me live with those updates. Mayuresh, extremely horrifying and a brutal crime that reported in Jalgaon, and how the manner in which the minors have been hacked to death. Take us through details of this case, what the police have revealed so far, the background of this family, and has any motive been established behind this horrifying crime?
See, as of now, we have been given to understand that 3 people, 3 accused have been arrested in this case, and interrogation is on because police basic thing is that to get to know what exactly was the motive, because these 4 siblings were minor. If we talk about their family, the family had come from the Madhya Pradesh in search of work. The father of all these 4 siblings, he was working in a farm as a daily wage worker, and when he had gone for lunch yesterday afternoon, that time he saw that all his 4 wards, including 2 boys and 2 daughters, they were lying in a bloodbath, and they were lying in a blood pool, and they were basically murdered. So after that, he approached the police. Local police have registered the case in this manner, and immediately within the 12 hours, the 3 people have been arrested. But as I said, that the motive is still not clear, and that's what police is trying to establish it while their interrogation is still on. We have been also given to understand by the local authorities that Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, will be visiting the family in Raver. But as you said, that it's a horrifying case which has come in front from the Jalgaon district of Maharashtra, where 4 minor siblings were hacked to death by 3 people. That's the primary investigation has revealed. But as I said, the motive is still not clear.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates.